All right, guys, we're gonna make a replacement to this shingle right here. All right, so this roof is probably about 18 years old. They had it counted over 100 plus wind damage shingles, so we're gonna do a repair test and just see. All right, so I'm gonna barely lift this up just to get to the nail. Let's go. See, can we move this shingle? Is it this shingle? Barely lifting the shingle just to get that nail, guys. That's it. Come on. All right, still stuck. Nail right there. Man, this ring is falling off. All right, remove the shingle. You can just hear the grain is falling off, so I'm going to put it back. Put that back. Grab my hammer. Barely lifting it just to get the nail in, guys. This should be an easy one for the adjuster. As you can see, crease, crease, crease. Look at that. Crease right here, crease right there, crease. So just let you know, man, this roof is about 18 years old. It's brittle, widespread wind damage, and non-repairable.